Welcome to Mayflower. You must be at least 42 inches tall to ride. Riders between 42 inches and 48 inches must be accompanied by a supervising companion who is at least 16 years old.
Loose items, such as cell phones, must be in your pocket or in a small bag secured to your person. They are permitted on this ride, provided they do not interfere with the safety restraint or create a hazard. If wearing a hat with a brim, please remove it for your safety and the safety of others.
Once everyone in your row is seated, please pull down your lap bar. Throughout the ride, remain seated upright, facing forward, with your back against the seat and feet inside, and hold on. Thank you, and enjoy your ride on Mayflower.
Are you okay? Your belly hurt? It goes on forever. I keep going around the door and go, we're done.
Please keep your arms down and all left and the best so well it is emotion. Thank you.
I think I held my nose out. Because when we got done, I was like, yeah. Oh yeah. I use my core a lot.
And I was trying to tell you,
I was hey, I was trying to It's not as big as one in Houston. Like it's long, but it's longer. It depends on your up high.
yeah.
Please remain seated until Mayflower has come to a complete stop. When we